I guess I should start making these recordings a habit. If you're watching this, then somehow these logs survived the journey. I hope they're useful or, at the very least, interesting. Today was uneventful, and honestly, that's good news. The Blackstar is operating exactly as expected. Life support is stable, reactor output is normal. Navigation hasn't complained about anything for, I think, 12 days. Out here, a boring day is a successful day. Funny how your definition of excitement changes when you're traveling between stars. Before this mission, I imagined interstellar travel very differently. I thought every day would bring something extraordinary. An nebula, a rogue planet, some breathtaking discovery waiting just outside the window. The truth is, most days nothing happens, and that's exactly what I see right now. Nothing, just darkness, with tiny points of light scattered across it. It's strange because every movie, every painting, every video game makes space look crowded. Stars everywhere, planets everywhere, colorful clouds filling every corner. Reality is almost the opposite. The universe is mostly empty. In fact, it's difficult to explain just how empty it really is. Our brains were never built to understand distances like this. Let's imagine something. Suppose the sun were the size of an orange. Not a giant ball of fire, just an orange sitting on a table. Where would Earth be? Most people imagine right beside it, maybe a few centimeters away. In reality, it would be almost 8 meters away. Now think about Neptune. It wouldn't be across the table, it would be hundreds of meters away, nearly half a kilometer. And the nearest star, not the brightest, not the biggest, just the closest one. It wouldn't be in the same neighborhood. It wouldn't even be in the same country. If our tiny orange sun were sitting here on the black star, Proxima Centauri would be thousands of kilometers away. That's how empty our stellar neighborhood really is. Sometimes people ask, why don't we just fly to another star? It's a fair question. After all, we've walked on the moon. We've landed robots on Mars. We've sent spacecraft beyond the edge of our solar system. Surely another star is just the next step. Except the numbers tell a different story. Proxima Centauri is about 4.24 light years away. That means the light leaving that star tonight won't reach us for more than 4 years. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, allows. Now think about Voyager 1, one of humanity's fastest spacecrafts. If we pointed it toward Proxima Centauri, it wouldn't arrive in 100 years or 1,000. It would take tens of thousands of years, longer than all of recorded human civilization. Think about that. An entire history of humanity would pass before one spacecraft reaches the nearest star. That's why interstellar travel isn't just an engineering problem. It's a distance problem. The universe isn't trying to stop us, it's simply honest about its scale. And maybe that's what makes this journey meaningful. Every kilometer the black star travels is a place no human has ever been before. Not because it's dangerous, not because it's forbidden, simply because it's unimaginably far away. Sometimes I wonder if loneliness is just another way of measuring distance. Then again, the black star complains a lot less than most people I've met, so I suppose I have decent company. Before I end today's log, something unusual happened during the last sensor sweep. One of the long-range receivers detected a very narrow band signal. It lasted less than a second, no identifiable source, no repeat. By the time I checked the data, it was gone. Probably interference. Cosmic rays can confuse sensitive electronics. It happens. Still, I saved the recording just in case. The universe isn't full of stars. It's full of space between them. End of transmission.